What's up, everyone? My name is Wayne, and this is Fade to Black. So what is going on? First off, I want to say thank you to anyone and everyone that has watched any of my videos and that has subscribed, that has given a thumbs up. I definitely appreciate it. I know I don't have as much time to make the videos and do them like I would like to, but hopefully the time between my videos makes you guys eager to see more and eager to see what we got going on at Fade to Black. And I also want to say thank you to anyone so far in 2018 that has come to Fade to Black for any of the services that we offer. I definitely appreciate it, and I hope that I continue to help you guys out in your new vehicles or anything else you want to do to change up your current vehicles. Man, I appreciate it. Like I said, when you call, text, email, you get me. I'm the one that's going to help you out. I'm the one that's going to give you your prices. I'm the one that you're going to talk to and try to get you sorted and get you scheduled. So, some wheels just came in for a current project we got. Awesome customer. We've been doing a lot of things together. Like I said, I'll shout out his name. I'll do that stuff coming up in the future. But right now his wheels came in and his suspension came in. So let's go check them out. So these behind me are the wheels that's going to go on the project truck, customer vehicles. We're going to be hooking it up. We're going to do 24 by 14 inch Hardrock Offroad Afflictions satin black. And then we're going to be doing a lift kit on it. So doing the 6-inch Pro Comp lift. And we're also going to be doing a bunch of other vinyl and other styling things, some decals to just make it look different. So I think that this truck is going to look different than any other truck that's rolling around the street. So I'm going to give you a little cinematic views of it and give you a little cinematics of the suspension lift, and you can check it out. So if you look behind me, I got another set of rims that I just got in for a customer. Some 18-inch Extreme Mudders that's going to go on his Cherokee. I think it's going to look awesome. So like I said before, I appreciate everyone giving me the opportunity, putting their trust in me with their prized possessions. A lot of them is prized possessions, you know, their vehicles. Taking the time and the trust to, like I said, let me help you and help make your ride look different. So just keep following along. I got a lot of other things I want to do. I got more things I want to show you guys as I get the time to do it. But please share, like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you have any ideas or anything else you want to see, comment below. Check out my other videos. Until another day, Fade to Black.